Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel Makeup and Hair Company. So today's video is also one of the most requested video on how to apply false lashes by yourself. When you're starting out and when you want to look natural and not made up too much, go for very thin flimsy supernatural lashes because this lash that you're going to apply on yourself is going to add on top of your own real lashes. So it's going to make it look even more extra. So make sure that you are buying a natural eyelash to match up with your real lash line so that it doesn't look very thick and made up. All you need here is an eyelash glue, and you need your favorite pair of eyelashes. So to start with, just go for very thin, very natural eyelashes if you don't like that super glamorous output. So here I have one eyelash. So basically I want to show you guys something. So this is kind of like a book that I got on Amazon where I store my eyelashes. So basically these eyelashes, they are reusable, and you can just use some makeup remover and wipe off all the gunk and then reuse it again and again as long as you think it's working. So there is nothing like you have to use it so many times and then throw it away. I've been using these lashes for so many months now, and I have different types of lashes. So you can buy this book off Amazon, and let's get into business. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, let me just bring you guys up. So all I'm doing is I'm just taking the eyelash and I'm holding it on the edge like this. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to open my glue, and then I'm just going to paint this part, the part where you fix your eyelash. So just this part, as you can see. So make sure that one important tip that I want to give you here is that you are applying excessive glue on this part, because this is the part that gets peeled off every time. So make sure that this part is heavily glued. And the next step is you need to make this glue dry for at least 15 seconds. So just dry it. I dry it like this. Now I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm holding my lashes right here, and I'm opening the glue and I'm applying it here. So you see, and I'm applying excessive glue on the sides, and then I'm letting it dry. While the second eyelash is drying, I'm going to take the first lash and I'm going to wiggle it like this. I'm going to bend it like this. As you can see, it was like this. I'm going to bend it like this, and then I'm going to do this. So this is actually going to make sure that the lash is not straight and it is slightly curved, so that it gets itself placed well on your lash line. So I'm going to take the edge like this. So as you see, I've taken the edge like this, and then I'm going to place it just like that, first in the center. So the first thing is you have to make sure that the center is rightly placed, and then focus on the edges. And then this corner. Yep, done. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wiggle the lash and I'm going to stretch it like this, as you can see, and I'm going to place it like that. As I'm doing that, I'm pressing my fake lash as well as my real lash together so that it gets seated up well, nicely on top of the real lash line. And now I'm left with the corner, so I'm just going to fix it. And then what I'm doing is I'm literally pushing the lash like this because it's set up in that direction, so you have to push it. So that's it. It's very simple and easy. It looks very simple and easy, but it is not. It takes a lot of practice, time and effort to do it this quick. So although it looks very simple, it is quite complicated, especially for the first time when you're doing it for the first time. Keep trying, and I hope this video was easy and simple for you to understand. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in another video. So that's it for today's video, and I hope it was useful and simple and easy to understand. And if you really enjoy this video, please do post a flower symbol in the comment section that it's you who liked my video. I will see you guys in another beautiful video, and take care.